Last week, the cryptocurrency market experienced a significant downturn, losing $100 billion and driving Bitcoin's value below $64,000. Despite several recovery attempts, Bitcoin failed to stabilize, reaching a high of $66,500 before dropping to $63,400. Looking ahead, the market may continue to face bearish pressures that could hinder any recovery. However, positive market developments and regulatory news limited Ethereum's losses to just 1.5% last week. This article will delve into the key events that influenced the market over the past week. Australia approves first spot Bitcoin ETF. The Australian Securities Exchange, ASX, which accounts for 90% of Australia's stock market, has approved its first spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF, according to an announcement by VanEck, the issuer. This ETF operates as a feeder fund with a passive management strategy, investing in the VanEck Bitcoin Trust, HODL, a U.S. ETF listed on the Cboe BZX exchange. SEC ends Ether security investigation. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has concluded its investigation into whether Ether is a security, a move that suggests the argument was weaker than previously indicated. On June 19, 2024, the SEC unexpectedly ended its probe. Laura Brookover, a lawyer for ConsenSys, confirmed that the SEC will no longer assert that Ether is a security. Kraken bug exploited, researcher demands reward for $3 million theft. Kraken disclosed that CertiK exploited a bug to capture $3 million in digital assets. The bug, reported by an anonymous security researcher on June 9, allowed two accounts to extract these assets. The researcher demanded a reward for identifying and exploiting the flaw. CertiK's executive team clarified the situation, stating, "Cryptos were created from nothing, and no real Kraken users' assets were involved in our research." Ultimately, CertiK returned the $3 million to Kraken. MicroStrategy purchases additional 11,931 BTC. MicroStrategy, a Nasdaq-listed software company and the largest corporate Bitcoin holder, has acquired an additional 11,931 BTC for $786 million, according to a recent press release. By the end of April, the company, led by Executive Chairman Michael Saylor, held 214,400 Bitcoins. This new purchase increases its total holdings to 226,331 Bitcoins. Ripple wins partial victory in court. On June 21, a California court granted Ripple a significant procedural victory in a class action lawsuit regarding XRP. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse noted that all class action claims were dismissed.